With housing affordability being at an all-time low, a lot of Bay Area residents, as well as folks looking to relocate back to California, are looking at more affordable areas such as Solano County. Today, we're going to discuss the pros and cons of living in Solano County. If you're thinking about making the move, this is a video for you. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Monroe. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area and I specialize in Solano County. Solano County is one of the Bay Area's 9 counties located in the North Bay, with portions surrounded by the San Pablo Bay as well as the Carquinez Straits. The number one pro of Solano County is our housing affordability compared to the rest of the Bay. In Solano County, it is still possible to find houses priced in the 500,000s, and you can get a very expansive house on a generous sized lot for under $1 million, which is unheard of in any neighboring county. Let's take a look at some quick examples to give you a true understanding of your buying power in Solano County. This beautiful property is located in East Vallejo in the highly desirable neighborhood of Northgate. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 2,600 square feet of living space on nearly a quarter-acre lot. It's also noted to back to the Blue Rock Springs golf course, so you've got incredible views of the green as well as no rear neighbors. This house is offered at $840,000. Taking a similar budget, let's take a look at San Francisco. I was able to find a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 890 square foot condo offered at $879,000. Now, when this condo sells, it'll likely sell in the $900,000s. This condo also requires a monthly HOA of $960 a month. That means that the bare minimum, taking into consideration the higher price point as well as nearly $1,000 HOA, your monthly payment would be at least $1,200 more a month than the property in Vallejo, which gave you 3 times the living space as well as a quarter-acre lot. There's just no comparison. Solano County is significantly more affordable than San Francisco. And for folks who say there's just no comparison with San Francisco and all the amenities it has to offer versus Solano County, let's take a look at Concord, which is located in Contra Costa County and would be much more comparable to Vallejo or Solano County. This beautiful home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about 2,000 square feet of living space on roughly an 8,000 square foot lot. So we're getting much more comparable as far as stats of the house. However, looking at comps, this house is likely to sell around $1 million. It's currently listed at $875,000. Concord, in my opinion, is much more comparable to parts of Solano County, and still we can see that your dollar stretches significantly further in Solano County. One potential con to consider for Solano County is that our set loan limit for a standard conforming loan is $726,000. So if you are a buyer looking at properties $900,000 to $1 million plus, you will have to make up the difference in cash unless you're considering a jumbo loan. And with a jumbo loan, you're likely going to have a higher interest rate. So compared to other counties, our loan limit is lower. However, it's all relative. In other counties, even though their loan limit is around $1 million, you're likely going to have similar or more cash to be able to purchase a house. Pro number 2 is our weather. Solano County residents enjoy some of the best weather in the Bay Area. We have warm to hot summers and very mild winters. Vallejo and Benicia stay about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than the rest of Solano County. And if you enjoy really hot climates, Fairfield, Sassoon, Vacaville may be right for you. One potential con to consider, which is not isolated to Solano County, but we do feel it on a daily basis, are strong winds, and they typically pick up at the end of spring through summer. It's not every day, all day, but it is a daily occurrence. So if you're really looking for an indoor-outdoor feel, that may be something you want to take into consideration. Vallejo and Benicia seem to be more isolated from the strong winds. And I think we have enough temperature variance that there's something available for everyone. Number 3 is our location. Solano County is equidistant from San Francisco and Sacramento. We're about 30 minutes from Napa Valley, 30 minutes from Walnut Creek. We have access to 3 major airports, including Oakland, Sacramento, San Francisco. All are within about an hour's reach unless you're commuting during very heavy traffic times. Most areas of Solano County has very easy access to freeways, and you can take advantage of what every other county has to offer without paying Bay Area prices. One con of our location is that we don't have access to BART in the North Bay. So if you have to commute daily to San Francisco or the South Bay, you're more than likely going to have to drive, and it's going to be a fairly long commute. Some folks know that that's just part of Bay Area living. Most folks commute at least an hour plus a day. If that doesn't bother you, Solano County is going to have a lot to offer you as far as housing affordability. But if sitting in traffic is soul crushing for you and you have to commute during peak hours, Solano County may not be the right fit for you. Pro number 4 is the variety of amenities in Solano County. We have shopping centers such as the outlet malls in Vacaville. We have beautiful farmers markets in Vallejo and Benicia. We have incredible outdoor spaces with hiking and biking trails and beautiful scenery in nearly every city. We have golf courses galore. We have chain and independently owned restaurants, and we also have our own wine country in the Sassoon Valley. A con of our amenities is that you're just not going to have the same variety of fine dining restaurants as you would in San Francisco. But if you're someone that just goes out for birthdays or planned events, living in Solano County is really not that big of a deal. But if you do frequent restaurants daily, this is going to be a change for you. There are some fine dining options, but they're fewer and far between compared to San Francisco. So that may be a life adjustment that you would need to consider if you're thinking about making a move to Solano. There's so much more that Solano County has to offer, so if you're considering a move, please feel free to reach out to me with any specific questions, or if you're hoping to work together, I would be honored to have the opportunity to help.